Video tutorial on how to create an e-commerce website with Hosteasy. Log in to your direct admin control panel. On the control panel, locate Hosteasy Apps Installer under Extra Features and click on it. Hosteasy Apps Installer has a lot of open source application for you to build your website in just a click. Locate OpenCart e-commerce application from the e-commerce section and click on it. You are now on the OpenCart application. Click Install to install this shopping cart in your website. That's it. You have now successfully installed a shopping cart website. Links given here are your website link and admin page link. Click on the link to check your e-commerce website on Live. A fully functional e-commerce store with menus, product listings, and an integrated Add to Cart feature, all accessible with a single click. Click the admin link to access the admin page and log in using the username and password you created during installation. Here you can manage your store by adding new products, editing existing listings, and customizing your shopping cart website settings as needed. This is your product listing page where you can add, edit, or delete products. Explore the available options to customize your shopping website to suit your requirements. Finally, integrate a payment gateway to enable customers to shop online. Your e-commerce website is now ready to attract customers.